Hello again, friends. Thank you for joining me on this session. As you can see, I'm trying to ask as many what I feel relevant questions as I can. Because of the nature of the flip phone and recorder, I can only record for 1 minute at a time, and then I have to go through it and delete and so on and so forth. It is a bit time consuming, but nevertheless there are some good replies. Thank you for joining me. If you do have anything you would like to ask Spirit yourself, please comment and leave a message for me. And of course I can't promise anything, but maybe you can think of some things that are relevant that I can't think of at the moment. So with that, I'd like to thank you for joining me and see you again soon. Thank you.
Spirit friends, it's Paul here. I'd like to ask you a few questions if I may. Can you tell me if we've any new people here today, please? Would anyone like to come and share their experiences of passing over to the next life? There's lots of people on earth here scared of dying. Is it at all possible for you to describe your surroundings as you see them now, my spirit friends? Can you describe to the people what you see around you? If you wouldn't mind. What's it like where you are? For this experiment, my friends, can you explain how you see me at this present moment? What do I look like to you? Can you describe my surroundings? Can you tell the people what colour shirt I'm wearing? For confirmation. I'm not playing games, I'd just like to find out how you see the world from your eyes. At this present moment. Can you share with us, please, how many people are here today on your side? Can you tell me how you see the people coming and going? From your perspective, are they just milling about? Do they come on purpose? How does this look from your side? Can you possibly tell us if you're outside, what colour the sky is? Are you inside a building? What kind of building are you in? And of course, are you in my house? Are you always here and watching? Or do you just come when we do a session? their loved ones attempt to try and get hold of them or talk to them, who's the best way they can pass a message on to the spirit realms? Or do you always know what they are saying? How can you advise them to get contact if it's possible? Barlow, you talk the most on this device for me. What I would like to know and share with the other people is, who decides who can come and talk? Do you have rules? Are there barriers to stop just anybody talking? What is the best way to get people or loved ones to come and talk? And for them to be allowed to talk? Can we just ask you? Hello, my friends. I would really like to talk to my mother, Connie. Is it possible for my mum to come and speak to me on this device? And would you help her, Harley? Hello, Mum, if you can hear me. Mother, I would just like to know that you reached all your loved ones when you passed. And you joined up with my father, Desmond. And you are now well and rested. And enjoying your spiritual life. We all send our love to you all.
Well, thank you for joining me, my friends. I hope we gleaned a few answers there. It's always a trial and error kind of thing. So I'll just keep plodding on asking questions. Maybe one day somebody will come and we'll have a proper conversation. It's early days, but we'll keep strengthening the bond and see what comes. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye.